Hello, welcome to NAVIFORCE watch unboxing review time. Let's open the box and have a look what I have bring you today. First, this is a manual book about this watch, and this is our guarantee card. We will always provide you 1 year guarantee. And then it's our watch today. Let's have a close look at this watch. Okay, from the back side we can see this is a men's watch and the number is NF9169M. Okay, first of all, let's have a look at the screen here, all the data about this model. And then this is a very simple design, and it is a chronographic watch. We can see on the dial there are 3 windows on the center of the dial, and at 12 o'clock position this window is the 1/10 seconds window, and here is the second window, and this window at 9 o'clock positions with the camouflage pattern texture is the mini window. And also we can find at the 4 o'clock position there is a very small window. It's for the date, means today it's the 29th. Okay, and also we can see there are 3 small buttons on the right side here, and the upper one is to adjust the stopwatch. Let me show you. And then here it's working, and the second window is also working. When here goes around 1 circle, and then here the mini window will goes 1 step. Okay, press again this button, and here will stop, and it will stop too, and press again, it will work. And when you want to stop and reset all the data, press this button, and or return to the original. Okay, in the middle of this is our crown, and we can see there is an end of our brand logo on the crown. This is a very smooth coffee color about this watch. And also we can see there it's a Milanese stainless steel soft watch band. And also we have a brand logo on the barcode here. And when you receive our watch, we will always have a protection for the barcode on this plate. This one, yes. Okay, this model we have actually, I can see here, of all we have 8 colors, so I will show you all the colors later. Wow, there are 8 colors are all here. It's amazing. I have never seen such a model. It has 8 colors. Okay, as we know, just now I have shown you this coffee one, and actually there is also an light coffee one too, and this is a group of the same coffee color. We can see the 2 dial of the watch, they are the same coffee color, but something different is the watch on my left side we will add something different into the Millennium watch band. We can compare these two barcodes. We add the camouflage elements into this watch band. Because we have the blood protection plastic, so it's not easy to find out, but we can see other colors of this, especially this gray one. We add the camouflage elements into it, and actually we have 3 colors. We'll have the camouflage elements add into the watch band. This coffee one, this gray one, and this blue one. This blue one also we add the camouflage colors into the watch band. Okay, this is the number 2 coffee color one. And all the design is the same as this coffee one. Okay, the next one I will show you is the golden one. The golden color are also many people will like it because the color is really very fashion. The color is dazzling. So nice, isn't it? And the dial and the crown, the button, all the golden color. Only except 2 small window here are the white color, and this is the yellow camouflage elements on this 9 o'clock position window. Okay, the next one is the basic color, silver one. The silver one is one of my favorite colors because it's very simple and very easy to match all of your clothes and your other accessories. Easy to match. Have a close look at the dial. The crown. Okay. Do you like this simple one? The next one is the most interesting and special one. It's very clear to see the camouflage colors on the watch band. It's really very nice. And this one is the best sell one on our online store. Okay, this one they are the same dial with the pure black one. Let's have a close look at the dial. All the dial is black, and the small window here is black camouflage color, and these 2 window it's white color. But this black one, the date window is black background, and this one on my left, on my right side, the date window background is white color, and the crown and the button, they are the same color. Okay, this one, the back side, the watch band, and not have the camouflage color. The pure black color, but it's very soft and very easy to wear on your wrist. It's a very nice color, but I think it's a little like a snake skin. Okay, the next one. Actually, this is a glue. A glue of blue color. These two blue color. As I will show you, these two dial are the blue color, and the small window, the color, they are the same. And also the small windows of the day window, they are the same color too. Something different is the watch band color, they are something different. This is the pure blue color, and this is the blue and adds the camouflage colors into the watch band. Okay, all 8 colors here. Which is your favorite? And all they are, it are all sales in our online stores. You can go to and search the watch about this number in our store and buy it. Okay, this is all for today. If you want to see other models, just go to my studio and find other models of video. Okay, this is all for today. See you next time. Bye.